What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at strategy stocks, and looking at the whole situation right here. You could see it clearly that the strategy stock right now is, it's rallying up 6%. And with the look of things right here, if I should take draw out this trend line right here just for us to see how things are going. You could see, first things foremost, we are on a in an uptrend right now. I would say lately we've been having this higher highs right here, higher lows ever since we dropped all the way down to 107, 108. You could see we've been making higher highs, higher lows. So I think for now it's safe to say that we could still probably, worst case scenario, drop all the way down right here to find major support at $132, or we could just all the way from here continue rallying much higher, because obviously there seems to be some level of support around this major level right here. Let me map this, let me draw this out right here. There seems to be some level of support around here, so obviously there is every possibility for us to find support around here before rallying all the way to our next major resistance, which is $204. So looking at it from the daily time frame right here, you could see that strategy can still keep on rallying. I would say that it's not bad for me to actually open a long position right now on MicroStrategy, because it is definitely doing very, very well. And with the look of things, we could still end up seeing a move of roughly 25% all the way to this major resistance right here at $204. So I think we should probably be expecting a move like this. So if we're going to be breaking above 204 or $5, I do not know, but the moment we break out of here and we're able to find support, yes, fine. Worst case scenario, we get rejected from here, retest and dump even all the way down to $154 dollars below. So right now I would say this is probably what we should be expecting in terms of us getting a move below this level. It might be a possibility, but I honestly do not see this playing out anytime soon. So yep, this is majorly it for the technicals. In terms of the news, we could see institutional crypto excess executive wants MicroStrategy's Bitcoin capital loop is breaking. So based on this headline, the international crypto exec wants MicroStrategy's Bitcoin capital loop is breaking. So with the look of things right here, we could see that ARCA chief investment officer Jeff Dorman says Strategy's Bitcoin accumulation playbook has hit a breaking point, with roughly $15 billion in preferred stock and $1.5 billion in annual dividend obligation now colliding with a weakening cash buffer and softer Bitcoin price. The warning lands after Strategy used most of its cash reserve to buy back 1.5 billion of zero coupon convertible notes due 2029, leaving 871 million on hand to meet recurring preferred dividend obligation. The preferred stock problem: MicroStrategy holds 843,738 Bitcoin as of May 2025, after building out a preferred stock structure totaling roughly 15.5 billion across STRC, STRK, STRF, and STRD series. The STRC tranche alone pays a variable dividend the company recently raised to 11.5%. Dorman argued the issuance of a wager that BTC was about to climb sharply, allowing future Bitcoin sales to fund those dividends. So Bitcoin instead trades near $72,550, down almost 6% over the past week, weakening the implicit collateral behind the bet. So obviously right now we could see the baffling buyback. In May, Strategy repurchased $1.5 billion face value of its 2029 convertibles for about $1.38 billion in cash, locking in an 8% discount but burning through most of its depleted cash reserve. The retired note carried a zero coupon, making the timing of the buyback hard to square with rising dividend obligation. Trust me, guys, when I tell you that, sorry about that, this is definitely my crypto chart right here. So trust me when I tell you that the MicroStrategy knows what he's doing. Just in case we do not know, yes, I also own a crypto channel where I talk about crypto. So I think this is buyback. It's not here to stay for long, but definitely the STRC will definitely weaken one point or another. So the only hope right now for strategy left to what I can see is, hopefully Bitcoin is able to find a major rally. Once Bitcoin finds a major bottom, local bottom this year, and it starts rallying, trust me, everything will definitely fall into place for MicroStrategy. So I think that is just definitely what we need to take note of right here. I'm a huge believer of Bitcoin too. So, why not? I think it will definitely work out. So without wasting much of your time, guys, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Peace out.